Are you ready to travel, to virtually explore the world? Join me on an adventure to the Vatican Museum. The museum is located in Vatican City, which is located as an independent state in Italy. The Vatican Museum is home to some of the most famous pieces of art in history. What you will need for this field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready? Let's go. In Google, search for the Vatican Museum virtual tour. And the first link should be with the one that you want to go to. All right. The Vatican Museum has several virtual tours that spans 2 pages, so make sure to click on the arrow to see the second page. And I see my favorite part of the museum, and perhaps the most famous part of the museum, the Sistine Chapel. So I'm going to click on that. And their setup is similar to Google Street View. You'll use the arrow on the floor to move forward. And you can click and drag on the screen to do a pivot and get a 360-degree view. Make sure you take a look up at that ceiling. Amazing. Let's continue walking forward. So I want to find one of the most famous paintings in the Vatican Sistine Chapel. I'm going to zoom in using the wheel on the mouse. And there it is. Do you know who painted the Sistine Chapel and how long it took? If not, it's a great research project that you can use the library databases to find out more. All right, let's head back to home base of the virtual tours by clicking on the link here on the bottom left-hand side. And let's take another gander in the museum. On that second page, I want to go to Raphael's room. You can spend hours looking at the artwork around the museum. It's just magnificent. So that's just a couple virtual tours the museum has to offer. So much more. So make sure to visit each part of the museum, figure out which part is your favorite, and discuss with your friends and family. For more fun, join in with the guided activities, and we will see you on the next virtual field trip.